Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create an amazing PowerPoint presentation for 26 January India's Republic Day. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Start by inserting a right triangle shape from the shape menu. Go to the rotate option and select flip horizontal and vertical to adjust its orientation. Next, insert a parallelogram shape, drag it, and again use the flip horizontal option from rotate to position it properly. Drag the yellow dot to the left. Duplicate the shape twice. Click on shape fill. Select orange, white, green. Select all. Remove the outline from the shape outline. Right click, then cut and paste as a picture. Go to format. Use a crop option to adjust this size like this. Go to insert. Click on picture, select Ashoka Chakra image, then insert it and position it in the center of white strip. Go to the animation tab, apply the spin animation and open the animation pane. Go to timing, select with previous, adjust the duration to 15 seconds and select until end of slide for the animation to run continuously. Insert a rounded rectangle shape. Drag the dot to left side. Remove its outline by selecting no outline and fill it with a color using the shape fill option. Right click, go to format shape, click on effect, select bevel from the 3D format and increase the width and height to 30 for 3D effects. Now insert a right angle shape, drag it, remove its outline and fill it with a picture or texture fill. Select a texture of your choice. For added effect, go to 3D rotation and choose perceptive from the preset. Set the Y rotation to 300 in the 3D format and increase the depth size to 30. Click on artistic effect. Select this. Duplicate the textured rectangle twice, adjusting the size to create a stair effect. Using the align center option to make sure they are perfectly aligned. Then group the shape using group option and ungroup them as needed for adjustment. Select this flagpole and duplicate it. Select this and this. Use the substrate from the merge shape to create a unique design. Convert the flagpole into a picture using cut and paste as a picture. Select the crop option. Crop a little from the bottom. Then send to back. Insert another right angle triangle. Go to format, shape outline, make it no outline, flip it horizontally and send it to back. Use the edit point feature to adjust its shape. Fill it with color using shape fill. Right click, go to format shape. Select this shadow from preset. Change the color using eyedropper and adjusting the blur and transparency. Add the festive font style 26 January. Finally, insert the Indian flag GIF to complete the design. Go to insert, click on picture, select and insert it. Resize and position it properly for perfect finish. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating this PowerPoint presentation for 26 January. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Akshrika tutorial for more creative PowerPoint ideas, tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss the update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comment box. See you in next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.